Dude, don't be mad. It's a picture of Chevy on my shirt. I'm allowed to have a picture of my dog on my shirt. You want me to get it? You want me to get a shirt with your picture on it? Okay, I'll get one with your picture on it. It just happened they had this shirt and they got it for me. Really? I'm allowed to have a picture of your brother on my shirt. Okay. I'll get a picture of you on my shirt next. Okay? I'll find one of you. I'll put it on my shirt, okay? Cool? Yeah? Why? You shouldn't say that. You're being very jealous. Don't be jealous and dramatic. I know you're the favorite. I understand that. But I'm not sure. I get that. But okay. You want to go change my shirt? We good then? All right. I love you. I'm sorry.